Okay, this video is for the ladies, menopausal ladies to be exact. So if you're a gentleman and you are not watching this for your menopausal partner, scoot on along. This is not for you, okay? I just went and had my annual CO2 laser done on my hoo-ha. Yes, I did. And I actually took a video of the entire procedure. It was discreet, so it's not, you're not going to see anything. It's very, very discreet. You see from my angle, and of course I can't see anything, but you will be able to hear her. She gives some instructions, and you hear the machine to let you know what this is and why I have it done. I am full-fledged menopause right now, 56 years old, and there is a lot of all of the menopausal symptoms. I have them all, from I think vaginal wall atrophy, dryness, everything. I have it. And this procedure is a CO2 laser, similar to what they do on our faces when we go and have our face and neck CO2 laser. Basically, it's going to burn off the top layer of skin, so it burns off the top layer of the vaginal skin so that new, fresh skin with great collagen and great elastin and all of that can form again there in that area. So it definitely helps with pain during intercourse, and it helps with all kinds of things. Now, we discussed it, I've been doing this once a year for about 5 years now, I think, 4 to 5 years. And we're about to go twice a year. So it's not holding as long. So I have another scheduled appointment 6 months from now. And she said that we may not have to do it every year, twice a year. Doing it once a year, 2 times once a year, we might be able to go back to the once every year procedure. Okay, so I'll put some more information in here. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do that. Like this video, it helps me more than you know. And comment below if you have any questions. Comment below, have you ever had a procedure like this done on any part of your body? If you let me know how it went for you, and if you thought it really helped you like I feel like it helps me. Okay, here we go. All right, just a little pressure as I insert. And I know that's cold. Okay. You'll just feel an odd vibration internally. And then just remember those few restrictions. Tell me those again. It's 5 days, no intercourse, no tub baths, no hot tubs or swimming pools. You may have, it's not uncommon to have some spotting or cramping for a day or so after. Maybe a little burning with urination the next time or two that you void. Or a little sensitivity, kind of sunburn feeling right here at the opening. And you're going to feel me. Bear with me. You're going to feel me at the opening here in just a second. We are almost done. Okay, just a little bit more work at the opening. Oh.
Okay, last time. Okay, and I'm gonna put some Aquaphor on the bottom right there. I'm gonna give you some Aquaphor to take home with you. And you can use that as much or as little as you need to, okay? Just right here where I know it's burning a little bit there.
Okay.
You are all done.
And if I can give you any more information, y'all let me know. Okay, we'll see you in the next one.